I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to withdraw money from your Verizon account, follow these simple steps to make the process easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Verizon website or opening the Verizon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Once logged in, find the billing section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your payments and withdrawals. Step 3. Select withdrawal option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculation and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to double check that it doesn't exceed your available balance. Note, if you try to withdraw more than your balance, you'll see an error message on the screen. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal and confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message once it's processed. With these steps, you should be able to withdraw money from your Verizon account without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Happy withdrawing!